Guess where I am? It is Xi'an.
From bustling markets to ancient architecture, Xi'an is a thriving metropolis in western China, rich with history and culture.
It is the starting point of the ancient Silk Road, and now since China proposed the Belt and Road Initiative 10 years ago, this inland city is revitalized as an international hub.
As I wander through the streets of Xi'an, I'm struck by the beauty of this city and the depth of its history. Though the ancient Silk Road took shape more than 2,000 years ago, the heyday of Silk Road commerce was in the Tang Dynasty, when Xi'an, back then called Chang'an, was the capital.
This is Datang Xishi, which literally means the west market of the Great Tang Dynasty. This cultural and tourism site is built exactly on the former marketplace, which now features cultural elements from the Tang Dynasty and ancient Silk Road. When you say go shopping in Chinese, it is 买东西, and that phrase happened to have originated from here. So in ancient times, there were two major markets in Xi'an. The east market, known as Dongshi, and the west market, where we are now, Xishi. Traders from countries along the ancient Silk Road came here to exchange goods, and that's why later Chinese used the term 东西 to refer to goods. And now let's go and do some shopping in this historical market.
Taking a stroll here, I seem to be transported back in time to an era of ancient art and culture, of exchanges and communications.
大唐西市博物馆是古丝绸之路的起点，在隋唐时期啊，这里是万商云集。大唐西市啊，它是在1400年前的商贸中心，从而也是文化交流中心和时尚娱乐中心。作为丝绸之路的起点，它支撑着整个丝绸之路的贸易体系，从而影响着人类文明的历史进程。
After exploring the ancient history of Xi'an, I'm now heading to Xi'an International Trade and Logistics Park. Under the BRI, this has been turned into China's largest inland port, connecting the east and the west in a way that was once unimaginable.
As I arrive here, I can see the hustle and bustle of trade in action. So this station is an important hub for the China-Europe freight trains, and actually the Chang'an China-Europe freight trains starts from here and transport goods to Central Asia and all the way to Europe. It is incredible to think that this side handles hundreds of thousands of tons of cargo every year, and that is only going to grow as the BRI Corporation further expands.
中国的制造通过中班列呢，向欧洲和中亚国家运送过去，同时把中亚和欧洲国家中国需要的搭乘中班列的运回来，满足中国人民的需要和欧洲和中亚人民的需要。
那这10年我们中欧班列运输的货物发生了什么样的一些变化呢？
货物呢，从最初的棉纱、木材这些初级产品，到现在呢，就是高附加值的像电子产品，货物的质量和数量上都有着很大的变化。
Well, noodles are a signature dish in Xi'an, and now with the Belt and Road Initiative, some of the flour used to make these noodles actually came from Kazakhstan. Now I'm going to make the famous biang biang noodle with flour coming from Kazakhstan. A bowl of biang biang noodle is ready.
哈萨克斯坦呢，它的小麦呢是它一个主要的一个农产品，蛋白质含量比较高，它的筋度特别好，特别适合呢咱们陕西人做biang biang面。正是因为“一带一路”倡议的提出，给我们指明了方向。我们2015年就走出了国门，走进了哈萨克斯坦。 这几年呢，我们累计进口40多万吨小麦，也带动了当地的经济的发展。 同时呢，也使当地的这个种植、加工以及这个管理的水平呢，通过我们的输出呢，也带来了他们的提升。
Xi'an, a witness to the ancient Silk Road, is well placed today to play a key role in the implementation of the BRI due to its location and its efficient logistic network that covers air, rail, and road transportation.
A deepening cooperation under the BRI has unlocked new opportunities for Xi'an and new growth prospects for the region and beyond.